Want to create a talking avatar effortlessly? It's easier than ever with AI-powered tools. Whether for presentations, social media, or content creation, a talking avatar can enhance engagement and make your message more dynamic. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, choose a platform that specializes in AI-generated avatars, such as Synthesia, DID, or HeyGen. These tools offer a wide range of pre-made avatars. But if you want something more personalized, you can upload your own image to animate. Some platforms even allow you to create custom avatars based on your facial features. Next, input the text you want your avatar to say. The AI will convert this text into speech with synchronized lip movements. Most platforms provide an extensive library of voices, supporting multiple languages, accents, and tones. You can fine-tune the voice by adjusting pitch, speed, and emphasis to make it sound more natural and engaging. Once you finalize the script and voice settings, preview your avatar to check for any adjustments needed. If everything looks good, click Generate to let the AI process your video. Within seconds or minutes, depending on the platform, your avatar will be ready with realistic speech and expressions. Finally, download your video and use it wherever needed, whether for YouTube, corporate training, marketing campaigns, or personal projects. Some platforms even allow direct sharing to social media or integration with other video editing tools for further customization. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can have a high-quality talking avatar ready to enhance your content. Try it today and bring your ideas to life. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.